Okay. Good morning, all of you. Dr. Dagala Venkateswara Rao, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, PR Government College, Kakinada. Presently, I would like to explain research methodology. It is a very important subject for you. After completion your post-graduation course, then you are going to further study. The research methodology is the involve the in your future subject. You are going to research officer or investigator or inquiry officer. You learn research methodology or PhD or MPhil courses depends upon the research methodology. Research methodology, it is a very important and good subject and a very interest subject. My dear students, in this second semester in the MCOM course, the university prepared for you research methodology syllabus. So you learn and carefully this subject, research methodology. Research methodology, what is the meaning of the research? Research means search again, research. So here you are finding any new issue, new innovation, new knowledge depends upon the research methodology. Research methodology, a very good idea, find it. And research methodology subject to taking various steps in the future generations. So this research methodology used to various sectors and social sciences or medical or engineering and police department and the CBI department also involved the research methodology. Suppose you are going to further a research officer or a CBI officer working time, this research methodology completely helps to you. So my dear students, after your completion post-graduation, you are going to PhD courses, then this is the useful for you. So my dear students, research means search a very important issue in the future, and research methodology helps to various solutions also given to business organizations and social sciences or engineering or a technology. So research methodology helps to a good decision making process and a quick decision making process. So my dear students, concentration, research methodology objectives, one by one. So here you did not learn Beckham course. There is no research methodology at the time of you are studied Beckham course. There is no research methodology is there, is not there. Sorry, is not there. So it is a new subject for you. So please concentration research methodology subject. So here research methodology objectives. The specific objectives are to develop understanding of the fundamental theoretical ideas and the logical of research, to develop understanding of the issues involved in the planning, designing, executing, evaluating, and reporting research. To introduce students to many of the technical aspects of the how to do empirical research using some of the main data collection and analysis techniques. So already to develop understanding of the issues involved in the planning, designing, executing, and evaluating and report research submit to management authorities. The management authorities depends upon the research methodology. Various sick organizations depends upon the research methodology. Why? So a complicated issues based various business organizations and the government of India, state government or central government of India. So they are depends upon the research methodology subject. So my dear students, so you have to pay interest on the research methodology subject. An introduction to research, meaning, process, defining the research problem, selection, understanding, necessity, define the problem, research design, need and types of the research design. Here you are discuss research means. So there is common people, there is no particular awareness, there is no particular awareness in the research methodology. There is no idea common people. So here research means a technical and organized search for the relevant information on a particular topic. So here it is defined as an academic activity that involves the identifying the research problem, formulating a hypothesis, collecting and analyzing data, and reaching a specific conclusions in the form of the solutions or general theories. The primary objective of the research is to find a solution for the problems in the methodical and systematical way. My dear students, so you have to understand research means a technical and organized search. So and research involves the identify the research problem. So are the central government of India or state government of India or research organizations, they identify the problem and given to you, then you give the solution. The solution depends upon the research methodology. First you have to identify the problem and formulating hypothesis, collect the data from the various sources and analyzing the data and reaching the specific conclusion and solutions or general theories given to the management authorities. The research methodology main objective is to find the solution, So here the solution is a methodical and a systematic way. And a research depends on the field in which the research work is performed. Various types of researches can be done for different fields, like fundamental research for identifying the important principles of the research field and applied the research for solving the immediate problem. However, all these research primarily follow two approaches. One is quantitative approach and the second one is qualitative approach. The quantity approach focus on the quantity of the data obtained from the research, while the qualitative approach is concerned with the quality of the obtained data. So my dear students, you have to concentration two types of the data. Quantitative research, qualitative research also very important. Quantitative and qualitative approaches depends upon the information or data. So my dear commerce students, you are the learn various subjects in the business organizations. So here commerce students depends upon the business research. Particularly commerce students depends upon the what happened present days in the business research. Business research is a systematic and objective process of gathering, recording, and analyzing the data for aid in making business decisions. Business research comes within the purview of social sciences research. The social science research refers to research conducted by social scientists, primarily within sociology and social psychology, but also within other disciplines such as social policy, human geography, political science, social anthropology, and education. So here, research in common man language refers to search for the knowledge. Research is an art of scientific investigation. It is also scientific, systematic design, collection, analyze, and reporting the findings and a solution for the marketing problem of the company. Research is required because of the following the reasons. So here, four objectives also you are seeing now. My dear students, you can observe clearly. The very important objectives are showing here. One is to identify and find the solutions to the problems. The business organizations once upon a time faced the several problems. So these several problems solved through research methodology subject and give the good solutions. For example, marketing management, marketing research is the very important in each and every business organization. Are a big and small economical organizations depends upon their research methodology. Suppose sales decreased. Why sales decreased in the market area? So you are the finding the through research methodology. Research methodology subject helps to you and to help the making decisions. And three, to develop new concepts. Yes, research methodology given to the good solutions and decision making and develop new concepts and new theorems and new principles and new policies also making, and definitely helps to the research methodology subject present situations organizations. Today very tough competition, highly competitive environment is there. This time very useful of the research methodology subject for the business organizations. So here to find alternate strategies. Yes, what is the meaning of the strategy? My dear commerce students, You are finding the plan and strategy. Plan means it is a short-term plan, looking to thinking and advance. Strategy, it is a long-term process. Strategy, it is a long-term process. So here, a good strategy maintaining the business organization depends upon the research methodology. My dear students, it is a very interesting topic, research methodology, and involve in our commerce subject, marketing research. My dear students, you can observe carefully marketing research. Why marketing research? Present days or recent days, very tough competition, very high competitiveness now faced the various organizations. Several organizations based on the marketing research. Suppose, for example, X organization, X or Y organization faced the market problem. The market problem is decrease the sales. Why decrease the sales in the market? So it is the observation is the most important. So this time what happening or happened in the market area. So this time give the good solution through marketing research. Business organizations or big business organizations, they are established research department also. For example, Reliance, Tata, Birla, Ajim Premji. So this type of persons establishment the marketing research department. It is a continuous process. So marketing research depends upon the customer values, customer ethics and moral values, and customer style, customer attitude, customer incomes, and customer environment, customer behavior. Also discuss marketing research and observation. Observation is there. So here in the ground level, what is happening through observation, research methodology or marketing research. Suppose here problem, why sales is a decrease? It is a very dangerous problem and a very important problem also. This time marketing research helps to the business organization. So here marketing research is an important part of overall business research. Systematic collection and analysis of the data relating to the sale and the distribution of the financial products and the services is called as a marketing research. Marketing research is an early step in the marketing process and includes analysis of the market demand for a new product or for existing products as well as the appropriate methods of distributing those products. So here marketing research, sales decrease and helps to the marketing research. At the same time, suppose new market, searching for the new market, X organization. The X organization first conducting the survey in the market areas. So marketing executive officers or marketing managers or marketing servants or marketing staff, they are going to the ground level, they are identifying the several market areas and they are conducting a good survey. They are conducting survey depends upon the customer attitude. Customer attitude, customer values, customer incomes also. They are finding a good research. They give the good solution to the customers and business organizations. So any organization present going to the market, they are conduct the good research. And sick organizations also approach to the marketing research. So definitely this marketing research helps to business organizations. And techniques in the marketing research, including the telephone, polling and focus group the interviews to determine the customer attitudes, pricing sensitivity and pricing strategies and pricing in the present market areas and willingness to use delivery alternatives and observed various products available in the marketing area. Can you observe it? So here, here marketing research is a form of the business research and is generally divided into two categories. One is consumer market research and the second one is business to business market research, which was previously known as industrial marketing research. Business research also known as in the previous known as industrial marketing research. My dear students and commerce students, concentration, consumer market research and business to business. Two categories are there. One is consumer market research and the second one is business to business research. Only two researches. So here consumer market research depends upon the completely customer values, moral and ethics, customer income sources also, and business to business, and it means observation of the in the present market already existing organizations observation and a new business organizations also observation is the very important in the market area. And defining the research. So here, according to Redman and Morey, research is a systematized effort to gain new knowledge. My dear commerce students, it is a very important this definition. Redman and Morey, research is a systematized effort to gain the new knowledge. It is a very important. According to Clifford Woody, research comprises defining and redefining the problems, formulating hypotheses or suggesting solutions, collecting and organizing, evaluating data, making deductions and reaching conclusions, and at last carefully testing and the conclusions to determine whether they agree with the formulated hypothesis or not. So my dear students, these are very important of the defining the research. Research process. The research process is a step-by-step process of the developing the research paper or research situation, research paper or research problem. As you progress from one step to the next step, it is commonly necessary to back up, revise, add additional material, or even change your topic completely. The research process itself involves identifying the problem and locating, assessing, analyzing, and then developing and expressing your ideas. My dear commerce students, you first identify the problem, and the second one is locating, and the third one is assessing, and fourth one is analyzing, then developing and expressing your ideas, your talent, your skills. So here, these are the same skills you will need outside the academic world when you write a report or a proposal for your boss. Suppose sales decrease. Why sales decrease? Suppose you are the research officer, then you are finding in the ground level what happening the research there, and finding the why sales decrease. So definitely you are finding the located in the market area, definitely. So then you are finding the various information, then submit to management authorities, your boss. So research taken up, you are identify the problem. There are the 9 steps in the research process. These are 9 steps very, very important in the any research, or social sciences, or engineering, or medical sciences, or any sector. These are 9 steps involved the research process. So here, first one is formulate the problem. Formulate or identify the problem. What happening is there? It is the first step the research. It is the primary step the problem. It is the primary step in the research methodology. Formulate or identify the problem, and then evaluate the cost of the research. How much amount is there? Yanta amount outundi research kanedi kuda chaala important. Evaluate the cost of the research. Research, you are finding the information different areas. It is a costable information. So the research depends upon the cost of research also. Is the second one is the second step, and how to collect the resources for the research. Large organizations, some of the amount budget allocated to the evaluate of the cost of the research, and prepare the list of information. Third one is prepare the list of information. Yes, data which place available is the most important. So here information also very important. Any problem depends upon the information. So information is the main source of the in the research. So you have to concentration. Third step, information, my dear students. Fourth one is after collection of the information. Fourth one is a research design. Research design process is there. So here research how to take the steps. So you have to prepare in your mind design process. It is a very important design process. Keep it in your mind. And then data collection. So data collection also very important. So data means a particular information. So the research depends upon the data collection. Here data collection depends upon the two factors. One is primary data, second one is secondary data. Primary data collected from the a ground level or field work nature. Secondary data depends upon the already existing data and the textbooks, magazines, and electronic devices through net websites and e-bulletins, also e-information. So it is a already published existed data is called as a secondary data. After collection the data and select the sample type. So here what is the meaning of the sample? Sample means representative of the factor. The information representation of the factor is called as a sample. The sample different types also there. Systematic sample, non-systematic sample, and random sampling, systematic sampling, systematic random sampling, and a cluster sampling, quota sampling, and so different samples are there. The researcher select a suitable sample for the research problem. So researcher take a good decision making sample size. So quota sampling or random sampling or systematic random sampling depends upon the research process. So the research officer depends upon the a good sample type. Determine the sample size. Already know sample size. Sample size identify the several areas. How many persons identified? So how to collect the data? Sample size also very important. 120, 130, 150. Out of 360 or 110 or 120 depends upon the decision making on the research officer. And organize the field work. Yes, field work is also very important. So in research work completely depends upon the a ground level premises. The customer working in the ground level. So the marketing research, commerce students, we are going to directly in the ground level. Our market research officers also, they are going to market area and collect the data from the sources of the customer. So it is a very important field work, and it is a reliable data, confidential data from the customer. So you are clearly understanding ground level problem. So it is a organized field work, very important organization. A proper organized the field work given to the good solution, good decision making process. So research work depends upon the very important field work. And the ninth step, analyze the data and report preparation, defining the research problem and formulation of hypothesis are the hardest steps in the research process. On the ninth step, it is a very important field work. Eight steps are successfully completed. Then going to the report preparation. Report preparation is a very important heartful subject. You are already, you know, 8 steps. 9th step is the heartful information is there. You have to prepare a proper report also. A good report, accurate report provides to the management authorities. Then good decision making also is there. So report preparation is a very important and a vital role in the business organization. So research problem formulation, cost of research. So this type of methods or steps one by one discussing and carefully another classes. My dear students, this research methodology helps to you in your further higher education or further research officers. So thanking you, young and dynamic RJD sir and principal sir, Dr. C. Krishna Garu, PR Government College, Degree College and PG College, Kakinada. My Guru and HOD Department of Commerce, Dr. J. Pandangarao Garu, giving me this opportunity for the first year MCOM students 2021. Wish you all the best. Thank you.